This is Pete Rose, the Hit King. I hated rained out games. In Owensboro, Kentucky, you never get rained out. We have the best turf around. Go check it out.
They just repeatedly corresponded with all the teams, told us exactly what was happening. And then we got here. Yesterday, of course, it was raining, but they moved the games along. The fields were in great condition, great infield to play on. Outfield was good, especially for this time of year with grass outfield. And I'll tell you, it's one of the best tournaments I've been in. It was awesome. We'll be back next year. There's no doubt about it. Again, we just saw the fields. These fields are in great shape. Plenty of room for the fans, good parking. Just everything was top notch here. We'll have to see about conference tournament. I have no say in it, but I can tell you this, I would vote for it. No doubt about it.
I think this is a great facility. I mean, looking around, there's a lot of good ball going on here, but I think just the facility within itself allows the Midwesterners to be able to play, especially, I mean, we're the third weekend in February, and here we are getting the opportunity to play, fight the rain, but I think obviously the weekend turned out great.
The turf fields have been awesome. It rained a ton yesterday. We were still able to get all of our games in. So we definitely look forward to coming back here every single year, and it's been a great experience.